How to check my Facebook login devices. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook and click on the three bars on the top right corner. Once you have entered here, as you can see on the top right, there is an gear icon with the search bar, so you have to simply click on that. This will take you to your settings and privacy. So here what you have to do is to simply click on this password and security. Once you have entered here, as you can see where you have been logged in, so you have to simply click on this see all, and this will open all your login history. You can now click on this logout of all devices, and this will log out every single device that you have been logged on. So after that you can now reset your password for security concerns, or you can also go with the two-factor authentication for more security. So this is how to check my Facebook login devices.